Give me another shot and I'll be bulletproof. A couple more just to get over you. Roll up another joint and let's get on the roof. I feel like that's the only way that I get close to you.
Hey, what's going on? So I got like 57 things I gotta do, but I just wanted to do a quick update. So my Whoop, my Air65, remember I was all excited, waterproofed it, put the new frame on it, looked all fancy and nice and cool and everything. Yeah, well, then this happened. And this happened. And yeah, so that is junk. That frame's junk. And then this one, similar thing. That thing is blown out. This is blown off. That's broken there. Yeah. So these NewBeeDrone cockroach frames, the super durable frame, I don't know if I just got bad luck or what, but they did not stand up well. So I'm just back to my stock air frame, all out of stock, and then I still got the frog canopy. This thing I really like. It's held up amazingly well. Lots of abuse and everything. Just protected everything. Waterproofing, beautiful, perfect. Haven't had any issues. Have flown it in the rain, landed in puddles, all that fun stuff. But yeah, so this frame's blew apart. I've got recommendations. So apparently the Air 2 frame, are good, and the NewBeeDrone LAF, light as farts. Apparently those two frames are supposedly super durable. And I mean, yeah, the Air 1 frame, it's got a crack there that I just E6000, and then it cracked there as well, and I just E6000 that one as well. But I mean, other than those two breaks, it held up pretty well. So I'm gonna, if you guys got any other recommendations for airframes for me to try out, I need a 65 mil frame. Not necessarily worried about the color, but I do like having fancy, neat, vibrant colors. But if it's just black or just clear or just white, whatever, I don't care. I just want a durable frame. Like I said, the Air 1 frame, it broke those two spots. I E6000 them. It's been running fine since then. I'll give you the crash clip, or the crash. I guess crash. I didn't really necessarily crash. I smacked into the pole, and then and I think that's what blew the motor mount out on that frame. But I'll give you the clip. You can watch the little pack. I didn't realize that it was blown out until after I landed, and I was looking it over and realized that the motor was just like about ready to fall off. Plus side, it flew fine and I didn't notice anything until I landed, so that's good. Also today repaired my camera. The little IR red light glass that's on the inside of the lens came loose on mine, so I just E6000'd it down, and it's all good to go now too. So if any of like the Whoop stuff that I've uploaded recently, there's like little red flutteries and stuff around the edges and weird wobbly stuff in the video, that's what that was. The IR thing fell off, and it took me a couple days to get it fixed, but it's all fixed now. We're all good to go. Enjoy the crash clip. I gotta go drill some holes in a piece of wood because apparently my son wants me to try to make a wooden Rubik's Cube. I don't know, dad life and stuff. I'm gonna go. I got so much shit going on. I got an interview that I'm trying to get edited out. I gotta get clips from that. I got an interview coming up on Friday. I gotta prep for that. I'm gonna stream on Friday morning and then do the interview right after. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and I hope that they're enjoyable to watch. I've really been working my butt off to put in a lot of effort to make this YouTube thing work out. I'm trying to have an interview a week and then try to have an extra video, whether it be just like a straight up flight video or like a upgrade thing. I got super secret thing coming really soon, probably within the next week or two. I got, I'm so excited. I've been so excited. I've known about it for a while, and I'm so stoked to have the thing, and for it to be in my possession. My neighbor's mowing, so enjoy that in the background. And there's a helicopter flying by, dude. Just fuck it all, you know, really. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go do that stuff. I hope y'all are enjoying the content. I hope that you can, if you're enjoying it, like, comment, subscribe. But really though, just subscribe. I want to get my subscriber numbers up because it makes me feel better about myself, you know. I get more internet points. Ow, I have a zit on the back of my ear. I get more internet points and it makes me feel legitimized as a person or something. Not really. I just hope y'all are enjoying the content and you appreciate the interviews and stuff like that. They've been super fun. Shout out to everybody that's like gotten back with me and done interviews with me and everything. Y'all are awesome, and I super appreciate each and every one of you. Each and every interview is like, it's always unique in its own way and interesting in its own way, and I always like, it's fun to think back on the interviews that I've done and stuff, and it's been crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Love you all very much. Hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe. Yeah, be ready. There's more content coming. I'm gonna keep cranking. I'll be keeping doing the interviews. I've got more scheduled. I got people in the pipeline. Yeah, I ain't stopping. I ain't stopping anytime soon. So I hope you all enjoy the interviews. I love you all very much. Peace. I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta drill some holes, try to make a fake Rubik's Cube out of wood for my son, because that's his obsession, is Rubik's Cubes. Yeah, bye.
I say, ooh, come on baby, turn the lights off. Ooh, 'cause it's getting late. I say, ooh, I know you're gonna try to hang tough. Ooh, you shouldn't hesitate.